What are some of the local festivals in Dublin? If you are curious about the local festivals in Dublin, you are in for a treat. Dublin is a city that loves to celebrate, and throughout the year, you can find a variety of festivals that showcase its vibrant culture. Let's take a closer look at some of these exciting events. Starting in January, you can enjoy TradFest, which is a week-long celebration of traditional Irish music. It takes place in various venues, including the stunning St. Patrick's Cathedral. You can expect lively performances and even family-friendly activities. Also in January, the Dublin Lunar New Year Festival offers cultural workshops and special screenings. This festival usually runs from mid-January to early February, making it a great way to experience diverse traditions. February brings Valentine's Day celebrations, where couples can find romantic dinners and themed parties across the city. The Brazilian community in Dublin also celebrates Carnival during this time, adding a colorful flair to the festivities. March is a special month for Dublin, as it hosts the famous St. Patrick's Day celebrations. This day is filled with parades, music, and a sense of national pride. It is a must-see for anyone visiting the city. As spring arrives in May, WellFest takes center stage. This wellness festival is held in the beautiful grounds of the Royal Hospital Kilmainham. It focuses on health and fitness, offering various activities and workshops that promote well-being. In August, Heritage Week celebrates Ireland's rich history and culture. During this week, special events take place across Dublin, allowing visitors to explore historical sites and learn more about the city's heritage. September brings the Dublin Fringe Festival, a showcase of innovative theater, dance, and music performances. This festival features artists from around the world, making it a vibrant celebration of creativity. These festivals truly highlight Dublin's lively spirit and cultural diversity. Whether you are interested in music, food, or history, there is something for everyone. So, when planning your travel in Dublin, be sure to check the festival calendar. You might just find an event that adds a special touch to your trip.